Port Arthur facility itself started out as one of our most complex and innovative plants, in that our two steam methane reformers that produce hydrogen, steam, and power are unique in that the gas turbine generator that produces the power is integrated into the facility. So the exhaust gas, which has oxygen and is at a fairly high temperature, instead of that going to atmosphere, we're recovering that energy in a very environmentally conscious way. It reduces the total energy demand on the site, and it's fairly unique in the world of steam methane reformers.
Air Products is supplying hydrogen, power, and steam so that Valero can refine crude oil into clean burning transportation fuels like ultra-low sulfur diesel.
We are currently on the construction site where we are in the process of building a CO2 collection system. The Port Arthur CO2 collection project was one of 3 projects nationally selected by the Department of Energy to be built, constructed, and operated. The targeted goal for the DOE was to select projects that had a demonstrated capability of collecting 1 million tons per year of CO2 to be used for a productive purpose in lieu of being discharged into the atmosphere. In our case, the productive end use is enhanced oil recovery.
Valero is working with Air Products to incorporate the CO2 project into existing Air Products and refinery operations. Valero is providing the land that is needed to install the CO2 project and is supplying the utilities that are needed to operate the carbon capture facility.
The charter of this project is we cannot impact the reliability of our existing facilities, and all of the design and the effort that are going in is to gain that goal. But if we can, which we expect to do, gain the goal of a reliable operation with the CO2 project, we expect to have longer-term benefits to both Air Products, but also the environment in general.
The CO2 site is expected to be constructed and commissioned in the next several months.
This project, I think, is a great example of our commitment to sustainability. It's taking out CO2, which would normally go into the atmosphere. We're taking the CO2 and it's going to be used in enhanced oil field recovery, but then ultimately sequestered in the ground and not allowed to go into the atmosphere. So overall, a tremendous project and a real win for the environment.